Thank you for taking the time to take a look at Distru. Today we're going to spend some time and dive deep into the inventory management solutions that Distru offers. We are really excited about the opportunity to partner with you and dive deep today. So let's first start off by taking a look at how Distru offers and enables you to track not only your cannabis inventory, but your non-cannabis inventory as well. So when you're creating and adding products to your Distru account, you can add both product tracked and batch tracked inventory. This ultimately is allowing you to have cannabis specific inventory, but also things like your labels, your pre-roll cones, jars, stickers, whatever it may be, tracked and inventoried inside the Distru system. So now let's take a look at a product directly that has inventory. When you have inventory in your Distru account, you're going to be able to see that you are tracking inventory not only within each specific warehouse, but also on a batch level. This gives you nice granularity to ultimately have a really nice in-depth perspective at your inventory at every point in time. Now, when you're looking at a specific batch of inventory, this is where you're going to be able to see very specific batch level information. So THC levels, CBD percentages, and things like the expiration dates, as well as track lab test results like COAs directly inside of your Distru account. When you attach a COA, it's very easy to one-click download that COA on a sales order so that you're not having to manually carry this or have it stored in a file cabinet anymore. Now, with that being said, if we go to our dashboard, there's all sorts of amazing reports that are going to allow you to track information on the inventory level. And one of the nicest ones is your expiring batches report, which is going to give you information in regards to what batches are expiring so you know which ones to sell first. And if we take one step further back, we can actually get an entire historical record and viewpoint of all of our inventory levels. And that's by taking a look at our inventory valuation report. This is going to show at any point in time your total quantity and active value for that quantity for every product in your Distru account. If you look at the bottom, you can see your total valuation for everything in your inventory at any point in time. Now, what we can do with this report is we can filter it in a multitude of different ways. So if I want to see my inventory in a specific warehouse, like my distribution storage, for only a specific product category, like my flower category, I can then filter by both of those categories to segment this report down. And I can see, okay, I have $150,302 that is in my distribution storage warehouse and only for my flower category of products. Now, what I can do then with this is schedule this report to be sent to my inventory manager on a recurring time frame. If you would like to learn more, please go to distru.com and request a demo. Someone on our team will get back to you quickly and ultimately show you an entire walkthrough of the Distru system.